Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sachin Bobe, Assistant Professor in Sanjuni College, Chapuli, and today I am going to start the new topic organic name reactions. In last topic, I will explain some reaction of reduction method. In last topic, I will explain about lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. These are two reducing agent, but in these two reducing agent, there are more selectivity because lithium aluminum hydride LAH it is versatile reducing agent. I mean to say that it is reduce all functional group like aldehyde, ketone, ester, nitro, cyano, amide, acid, double bond, triple bond, all. But sodium borohydride नका मला the mechanism of in first step protonation in the presence of HCl, protonation of carbonyl protonation of carbonyl group takes place means H plus attacks on carbonyl group of aldehyde. In this case, H plus attack on carbonyl group of aldehyde. As you know, the lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom. Due to this reason, this H plus ion attack on OH. That is OH plus. Then transfer of this double bond toward this positively charged of oxygen atom. Formation of CH3 CH plus OH. In second step, electronation, protonation and dehydration. Protonated carbonyl group undergo electronation, protonation and then dehydration to produce carbocation. As you know, zinc, zinc loss of electron, zinc one zinc atom donated 2 electron means undergo oxidation of zinc. Zinc means loss of electron. Then 2 zinc atom loses 4 electron. Due to this reason, one zinc atom at a time donated 2 electron. Whenever this formation of cation CH plus, it is already deficient species which have attraction of rich species. Due to this reason, zinc atom donated 2 electron pair to this positively charged carbon atom. Whenever this transfer of this 2 electron, formation of negative charge on carbon atom, then again transfer of proton towards this negative charge of carbon atom, formation of CH3 CH2 and loses of water molecule because one of the proton is transferred towards this lone pair of oxygen atom and losing water molecule. Formation of again CH3 CH2 plus carbocation. In third step, again transfer of 2 electron. In third step, carbocation undergo electronation and then protonation to produce alkane. I mean to say that whenever formation of this carbocation, zinc atom donate a second time 2 electron to this positively charged carbon atom. Then again acquire negative charge means formation of carbon ion. In last step, protonation takes place. Then formation of ethane. Application of this reaction is this reduction is used to convert carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone into CH2 group. It is used to produce alkane. It is used to increase the carbon chain of any carbon compound. Very simple. I will explain, repeat the Clemmensen reduction. The key point of this reaction is the carbonyl group is directly converted into CH2 group in the presence of zinc amalgam and HCl. जर तुम्हाला कॅटालिस्ट झिंक अमलगम तुम्ही जर यूज केला तर डायरेक्टली कार्बोनिल ग्रुपचे कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होते, CH2 ग्रुपमध्ये होते. ओके. In mechanism of this reaction is first step protonation takes place whenever the formation of carbocation. In second step electronation takes place means every zinc atom donate 2 electron this carbocation. Whenever this losing of this 2 electron, one electron stabilize this positive charge and second electron stay on this positive charge. Then formation of carbon ion. Whenever the formation of carbon ion means this species is rich species, then protonation takes place. First protonation takes place on this carbon ion and second protonation takes place on this OH group. When you, as you know, OH group, the lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom, due to this reason loses of water molecule. Whenever the loses of water molecule, again formation of carbocation. Then in last step again electronation takes place, means again zinc atom donate 2 electron to this carbocation, formation of again carbon ion, then protonation takes place. In last your formation of product, that is alkane. I mean to say that it is very simple, the carbonyl group is directly converted into CH2 group. That is your Clemmensen reduction method. Second reduction is Mirli-Pondre-Verley reduction. Mirwin-Pondrup-Verley reduction. This is the most important reduction. It is converted into aldehyde and ketone into secondary alcohol in the presence of aluminium isopropoxide as a catalyst. Remember of this point, the catalyst is more important. Aluminium isopropoxide is taking place. This reaction is called as Mirwin-Pondrup-Verley reduction. In this reaction, the reduction of aldehyde and ketone is directly converted into alcohol by treatment with aluminium isopropoxide in excess of isopropyl alcohol is called as Mirwin-Pondrup-Verley reduction. Means aldehyde and ketone is reacting with secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol in the presence of aluminium isopropoxide, formation of primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. See, the first example is aldehyde. The first example is aldehyde. As we take aldehyde and isopropyl alcohol is reacting with aluminium isopropoxide. This reaction is reversible. Due to this reason, the arrow is reversible at a particular temperature. Then formation of primary alcohol plus acetone. Whenever we will take ketone is reacting with aluminium isopropoxide, formation of secondary alcohol and acetone. The most important thing in this reaction is reversible, means it can go forward and backward both side. Reversible reaction means it can go forward and backward both side. The reaction here, the opposite of Mervin Pondrel, the opposite in this reaction is called as open or oxidation. See some example. Ethyl methyl ketone on Mervin Pondrel Verley reaction gives isopropyl alcohol. Ethyl methyl ketone is reacting with aluminum isopropoxide, formation of butanol, means 2-butanol and acetone. The mechanism, see the mechanism in this reaction. It is only formation of one cyclic intermediate or cyclic transition state may be formed in first step, because the aluminum metal is very electropositive metal. Due to this reason, formation of 6-member cyclic transition state. See, the oxygen atom lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom. Due to this reason, the oxygen is cyclic transition toward this aluminum in both side of oxygen. This is double bonded arrow, means dotted arrow is this reaction goes on reversible reaction. In second, whenever in first step formation of this unstable intermediate, in second step formation of product, whenever this formation of unstable intermediate, this your second intermediate is isopropyl alcohol, abstraction of this proton on isopropyl alcohol, formation of your product, means secondary alcohol, secondary butanol, whatever your product, and formation of byproduct. See, the most important Mirvan-Pondry-Verley reduction is it is reduce aldehyde and ketone to primary and secondary alcohol by using aluminum isopropoxide as a catalyst with isopropyl alcohol. जर तुम्हाला ॲल्युमिनियम आयसोप्रोपॉक्साईड सोबत आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल जर फाइंड आउट झाला तर डायरेक्टली अल्डिहाइडचं कन्व्हर्जन प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलमध्ये करायचं, दॅट इज मिरविन पॉन्ड्री वर्ली रिडक्शन. द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ दिस रिॲक्शन इज in first step formation of cyclic transition state, formation of unstable intermediate. In second step protonation will be takes place from isopropyl alcohol giving your final product. This is the final reduction method. In previous topic I will already explain some reducing agent. First reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride, second reducing agent is sodium borohydride, and third reducing agent is Mervyn Pondry Worley reduction, and fourth reducing agent is Clemenson reduction. Try to remember this all reducing agent and what is the function of all reducing agent. Try to remember this point. Then second, the next step is oxidation. Oxidation. Firstly, I will explain some basic of oxidation. Oxidation means there are three definition of oxidation. First definition is addition of oxygen atom. Second definition is removal of H2 molecule, and third definition is loss of electron. It is also called as oxidation. Means there are three definition of ox- oxidation. First oxidation method is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction or Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. In this reaction involve oxidation of ketone to ester by the treatment with peracid. Such reactions are known as oxidation reaction. Means peracid means peracetic acid, perbenzoic acid, trifluoroperacid acid. You can use anything. Whenever the ketone is reacting with peracid, formation of ester plus acid. The simple step of mechanism in this reaction is in first step protonation will be takes place. Ketone undergo protonation to form carbocation. Okay, you will take ketone molecule, then takes place protonation. As you know, the lone pair electron present on oxygen atom. Due to this reason, the proton attack on this oxygen atom, formation of positive charge on oxygen atom. Then transfer of this double bond toward this positive charge, stabilize this positive charge, formation of positive charge on carbon atom. Whenever the formation of carbocation in second step, this trifluoroporacetic acid dissociate CF3CO minus which attack on carbocation. After the transfer of alkyl anion takes place to form ester. Means it is simple way dissociation takes place. See, ॲसिड ॲसिडमध्ये एक ऑक्सिजन ॲड केला म्हणजे पर ॲसिड तयार होतो, बरोबर. याचं जर आपण डिसोसिएशन केलं तर का तयार होईल, एच प्लस ओ ओ ओ सी आर मायनस. दिस नेगेटिव्हली चार्ज carbon ion or oxide ion attack on this carbocation. Whenever the attack of this negatively charged per acid on carbocation, the oxygen is binding to this positively charged carbon atom. Whenever the bind of this oxygen of per acid to the carbon atom, formation of one of the unstable intermediate. As you know, there is group two oxygen group, oxygen bond are weak bond, and one of the leaving group is there. Due to this reason, transfer of one of the alkyl group towards this oxygen atom and leaving group will be departure. Whenever the transfer of alkyl group towards this oxygen atom acquire positive charge on carbon atom. Due to this reason, the transfer of lone pair of oxygen atom towards this carbon atom and formation of ester group. See, electron releasing group in the ketone and electron withdrawing group in per acid promote the reaction. Means there are two factors are most important. Electron releasing group in the ketone, because CH3 group are electron releasing group and trifluoroperacid are electron withdrawing group. These two factors mainly affected this reaction. It is very simple reaction. First step, attack of proton atom whenever the formation of carbocation. In second step, this negatively charged fluoroacid attack on this carbocation, then migration of alkyl group takes place. In last step, formation of your product. See, the next example is cyclopentanone is there. Cyclopentanone is reacting with trifluoroporacetic acid. Trifluoroporacetic acid undergo Baeyer-Williger reaction. Formation of lactone means ring expansion reaction is there because the oxygen atom inserted in between carbon and carbonyl group. Due to this reason, formation of lactone plus trifluoroporacetic acid. This is the most important reaction to convert directly carbonyl group of ketone into ester group are known as Baeyer-Williger reactions. In second oxidation method is Oppenauer oxidation method. It is reverse of Mirwin-Pondorf-Verley reduction. As we explain, MPV reduction is completely opposite to Oppenauer oxidation. The reaction involves oxidation of secondary alcohol with ketone and base to corresponding ketone of alcohol. Whenever secondary alcohol is reacting with acetone and aluminum tertiary butoxide, formation of ketone. Here oxidation means, as you know, addition of oxygen and removal of H2 molecule. In this reaction, removal of H2 molecule and formation of double bond in between CH and OH, formation of ketone. In simple, oxidation means the loss of H2 molecule. See the secondary alcohol. One of the hydrogen is present on carbon atom and second hydrogen present on oxygen atom. This loss of H2 molecule and transfer of this single bond toward this carbon atom, formation of ketone and isopropyl alcohol. That is completely opposite to MPV reduction, is called as Oppenauer oxidation. See, take a secondary butanol is reacting with aluminum tertiary butoxide. This reaction is same reversible reaction as compared to Mirwin Pondorf Verley reduction. Same, both reactions are reversible reactions, means it can goes forward and backward both side. It can goes forward and backward both side. In secondary alcohol directly converted into ketone plus alcohol. The mechanism of this reaction is, see mechanism, it is reverse of Mirwin Pondorf Verley reduction. The first step, the alcohol and aluminum tertiary butoxide react to form aluminum derivative of secondary alcohol. Whenever the formation of aluminum derivative of secondary alcohol, in second step, hydride ion transfer. In this step, cyclic intermediate is produced, which on hydride transfer give ethyl methyl ketone. Means whenever formation of your unstable intermediate, formation of again cyclic transition state and transfer of one of the hydride toward this oxygen molecule or ethyl methyl ketone. In last step, formation of product intermediate on reaction with isopropyl alcohol gives ketone, ketone and secondary alcohol. See, I will explain, repeat. The mechanism is very simple. You can take secondary butanol and aluminum tertiary butoxide, react with each other. The reaction is reversible reaction. In first step, formation of aluminum derivative and one of the hydrogen is transferred toward this tertiary butoxide. In second step, like a cyclic transition state mechanism, see, as you take ketone, ketone is attached to aluminum tertiary butoxide and take a take your secondary butanol. take your secondary butanol, is all are attached in cyclic manner. Whenever this attached in cyclic manner, the dotted arrow or double bonded arrow of aluminum atom are attached in between two oxygen atom of ketone and alcohol. The transfer of one of the C in this reaction, the transfer of one of the hydride of butanol toward this ketone and making and breaking of single or double bond, formation of ethyl methyl ketone and your byproduct. This reaction is called as open or oxidation. That is completely opposite. That is completely opposite of Merle Pondry Worley reduction. See, the basic difference is open or oxidation converted to secondary alcohol into ketone, and Merle Pondry Worley reduction are conversion of ketone into alcohol. Just catalyst is, try to remember this point. The catalyst is very important. Both reactions are reversible reactions. In open or oxidation, you can use aluminum tertiary butoxide as a catalyst, and MPV reduction means merely Pondry Worley reductions are catalyst use aluminum isopropoxide. These two catalysts are, try to remember, whenever this two catalyst is presence of starting material, then you can calculate which is the reaction. Aluminum tertiary butoxide, that is open or oxidation, and aluminum isopropoxide, that is merely Pondry Worley reduction. That is two reactions are opposite to each other. See, today I will stop here because all name reactions are completed. Try to remember this all name reactions and keeping a practice. In next lecture I will explain aromaticity. In next lecture I will explain derivative of aromatic compound and their reactions. Okay, today I will stop here and tomorrow I will continue again.